No to coronavirus at your home and office. Affordable and effective. No to COVID-19. Buy a box-style 20-inch fan. You can buy online or at your favorite store around at $25. Buy an air filter, MERB 13 or MPR 2200 or FPR 10 or better one, matching your fan size. Filters rating higher than MERB 13 or MPR 10 filter 95% or more of bacteria and virus. This is a standard air filter rating table. These high-rating filters can filter your air, lint, household dust, pollen, dust mites, debris, mold spores, smoke, smog, cough, bacteria, and virus. You can buy a good brand filter, MERB 13 or 3M MPR 2200 at between $15 and $30. Also, HEPA filters are good to use. Install the filter behind the fan. You may tape the filter with the fan. Be careful with airflow direction. Spray around 72% alcohol every 2 to 4 hours or more frequently to disinfect the air. You are free of coronavirus. We make better world without coronavirus, COVID-19. The filter will get dirty after 1 to 4 months use. It's time to replace. On extreme situation, 10 days use in Los Angeles with wildfire in 2020. Also, you can install the filter on a window fan. Also, using air filters protect your home from air pollution. Install air filters on your window. Polluted air is filtered. Enjoy clean air at your home. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. EasyStudy101.com. Kevin from LA. Thank you.